Welcome students. This is Social Science class 8th standard. Today I will begin Political Science chapter 1. So in this lesson the first important lesson name is Meaning and Importance of Political Science. So in last year you have discussed about civics. So this year you have to study about political science. So in the first chapter, there are 4 important points you have to study about this lesson. First one, the concept of political science. Second point, the process of development in political science. Third one, the political thinkers and their contributions. Fourth one, the importance of political science. Let us start discussing about the concept of political science today. Political science is one of the social sciences dealing with the political activities of man. It deals with the state and government functions. All these subjects we have to study under this. Political science also studies the origin and nature of state and forms of political institutions. So as you know, social institutions, political institutions, educational institutions like that, political informations we will going to study under this unit. So the study of the state is the main important objective of the political science. So like this, political science deals with the political activities of man. Let us discuss about the study of political science. So how it has originated. Political science is a subject which began with the Greeks. Some of the historians says that even though Egyptians, Babylonians, Persians, even Indians and Chinese also used this important political science knowledge with their own ideas and thoughts about politics much earlier to the Greeks. But they are not successful. They failed to develop it as a systematic study. So, one of the important great philosophers, that is the Greeks, have given great importance about politics. So, historian says that politics was given the status and independent science by the Greeks. Therefore, Greek philosophers became more popular in improving the knowledge about political science. So which are the important Greek philosophers have given great prominence is 1. Socrates, 2. Plato, 3. Aristotle. So these are all the important Greek philosophers given more contribution to study about political science. Socrates' disciple is Plato. He was also one of the great political thinker. Plato has written a famous book known as Republic about political science. In this book, he has discussed about the nature and functions of state and government. So the famous book written by Plato, that is known as Republic. Afterwards, his important follower, a great ancient Greek thinker, student of Plato by name known as Aristotle. And Aristotle is recognized as the father of political science because he has given a great valuable contributions for the growth and development of political science. And he also written informations, all the important treatise in the political science called the Politics. So in this famous book, Aristotle have discussed how the political science has origin and the development of political science and the functions of state. Like this, Socrates onwards, Plato onwards, Aristotle were the great Greek philosophers have enlightened the knowledge about political science. Not only Greek philosophers, even in India also, one of the great important writer by name known as Kautilya, or is another name also called as Chanakya. He was in the court of Chandragupta Maurya period and he has written the work called as Arthashastra on economics, and this important Arthashastra book also gives more informations about political principle. So among the Indian writers concerned, Kautilya became more popular to write informations about political science. After knowing about Greek philosophers, let us study about the meaning of the word politics. So I think this is one of the new informations you are studying this year. So Greeks use the term politics for the study of state, and the term politics is derived from the Greek word polis, which means city-state, and therefore a subject, political science, which deals with the affairs of the city-state, and its working was called politics by ancient Greeks. So ancient Greeks says that political science is a subject which deals with the affairs of the city-states and its working aspects, whereas modern time scholars define political science in different way. So let us discuss what is the opinion of the modern times scholars about the term political science for studying political informations. According to modern times, political thinkers says that political science, which studies the origin, development, nature and administration, what type of government, scope of a state, rights and duties of the citizens. Like this, political science is a study of all facets of state. So how our state is functioning, what type of developmental activities undertaken, what is the nature of the administration and what type of administration they are following, whether they are following their rights, what type of duties they are performing. So all these informations are known by the modern political thinkers. Like this, political science is also the study of the past, present, future of political institutions, political functions and political theories. So what type of the way they are functioning and what type of theories they are following in order to improve the political aspects. So all we can know with the help of political science. Like this, political science is the study of state, study of government and of human political activities is called as political science. I think students, you got the meaning of political science. It is nothing but the study of state, government and human political activities is called as political science. So Greek philosophers says about city and state, and modern philosophers also says the political science is a subject deals with the state, government and human political activities is called as political science. Now I will review these points whatever we have discussed today. Political science chapter 1, we have learned about meaning of political science. Political science is one of the social sciences dealing with the political activities of man. Second one, political science also deals with the state and government. It studies the origin and nature of state, and political science is also one form of political institutions, deals with the political informations. The study of state is the main subject matter of political science, and we have to study political science, and this study of political science began by the Greeks. Politics was given the status of an independent science by Greeks. So Greeks were the great important informations passed about political science. Greek philosophers, first famous philosopher by name known as Socrates. So he has given a great contribution for the growth of political science. His disciple is Plato. Plato wrote a famous book known as Republic about political science. So in that Republic, Plato has discussed the nature and functions of state and government. The next famous Greek philosopher by name known as Aristotle. The ancient Greek thinker Aristotle. He is a student of Plato and he is called as the father of political science. And he has written the first treatise in political science known as the Politics. The famous book, he discussed all the origin, development and functions of the state in the book called as the Politics. So he is called as the father of political science, that is Aristotle. Among the Indian political thinkers are concerned, Kautilya is a famous important economist and he is the author of Arthashastra. In that book, he gives more information about political principles. So he was adored in the court of Chandragupta Maurya period. Like this, Greeks used politics for the study of state. And they also says that politics derived from the Greek word known as polis, which means city-state. Like this, political science studies the origin, development, nature, administration, type, scope of a state, rights and duties of the citizens. So according to modern political thinkers, says the political science in this way. Like this, political science is the study of the past. Political science is a study of the present, and it also studies about the future of political institutions and political functions and political theories. So whatever political functions are going on, whatever the policies they are following in their political institutions, so all we can know once we study political science. So finally we can give a conclusion that political science is a study of state, study of government and human political activities is called as political science. So this is the meaning of political science. Once again repeat, the study of state, government and human political activities is called as political science. So in next of my video, I will explain about the importance of political science. Thank you, children.